Good morning students. Let's start our studies with chapter number 8, Defeat of Internal Enemy. What is the meaning of internal enemy? Enemies related to family. Okay. Related to friends. They are said to be internal enemy. Okay, so these, that is friends, cousins, relatives, etc., they have seen that Shivaji is progressing day by day. So naturally, the feeling of jealousy, enmity will come into existence. So that is why Shivaji thought that he has to defeat this internal enemy first, and then only he can do. Okay, without that he can't do anything. So let's see. By use of force, the Mavaras of 12 Mavaras gathered around Shivaji, ready to do his bidding. They lived for Swaraj and were willing to die for it. They were simple Maratha folk. They loved Shivaji more than their lives. But some people were jealous of Shivaji's achievement. He had to bring such people to book. Okay, then first Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade were two Sardar in the service of Adil Shah. The Shah insisted them against Shivaji. Okay, उनको अपनी तरफ खींच लिया, किसे? खंडोजी को और बाजी घोरपड़े को अपनी तरफ ले लिया आदिल शाह ने. तो जिसकी वजह से क्या हुआ? प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो गए. ओके, दे क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रबल in Kundana district. But Shivaji was more than a match for them. He defeated and drove them out. किसी भी तरह से शिवाजी ने उनको बाहर निकाला. नेक्स्ट बजाजी नायक, निम्बलकर of Falton. Who was he? Brother-in-law. But Shivaji Maharaj had to fight many battles against him. एक बार युद्ध नहीं हुआ, बहुत बार प्रॉब्लम हुआ बजाजी नायक निम्बलकर के साथ में. ओके, बट शिवाजी महाराज had to fight many battles against him. However, later on, member of this family stood by Shivaji. Okay, member of this family stood by Shivaji Maharaj. Next, Shambhaji Mohite of Supe, a near relative of Shivaji, also started plotting against Shivaji Maharaj. उन्होंने मोहिते साहब वो भी कुछ न कुछ प्लानिंग करना का चालू कर दिया शिवाजी के खिलाफ. Then Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished him to Karnataka. उसे अरेस्ट करके वहां से कर्नाटक की तरफ भेज दिया उसे. With Shivaji, duty come first and relative afterwards. पहले काम और उसके बाद में रिलेटिव, ये उनका सिद्धांत है. ओके, नेक्स्ट चंद्र राव मूरीज ऑफ जवाली. माय गॉड, बहुत प्रॉब्लम किया मोरे ने. ओके, सो एक्चुअली अ गुड रिलेशनशिप वाज देयर between More and Shivaji Maharaj, but he has created lot of problem in work of Swaraj. Okay, he broke his promise. First of all, he promised Shivaji that I will be working you in your work of Swaraj, but later on, yes, because of the jealousy character, he started creating problem. Okay, let's see. The greatness of Shivaji's achievement was recognized and applauded everywhere. He captivated the heart of these people. Some people did not like this. They look upon Shivaji as a mole in eyes. The Mores of Jawali was one such person. More was the Jagirdar of Jawali. This Jagir, which extended from Raigad to Koina Valley, along with the title of Chandra Rao, was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Okay, Jawali was covered with such a thick forest that even during broad daylight, the sun rays hardly penetrated. बताओ, इतना घना जंगल था जवाली का कि दिन में भी धूप की रोशनी जो है वो पहुंच नहीं पाती थी. And what about the surrounding? It is full of wildlife like tiger, wolf, bear roamed freely in Jawali forest. Mores of Jawali was thus like a tiger's hideout. No one therefore crossed Mores' path. Mores जो थे वो बहुत ही स्ट्रांग थे और इसीलिए कोई मोरे के रास्ते में नहीं आता था. But only Shivaji had a courage to do so. Lord Daulat Rao More died in 1645. There was a fight for the succession among the descendants. What is the meaning of this? Fight. दौलत राव मोरे जब नहीं रहे तो उनके जगह पर कौन बैठेगा, कौन राज करेगा, तो उसके बीच में तनाव शुरू हो गया, आपसी झगड़े शुरू हो गए कि हम राजा बनेंगे, हम राजा बनेंगे, हम बैठेंगे गद्दी पर. सो दैट इज द मीनिंग. ओके, सो शिवाजी बैक्ड यशवंत राव मोरे. ओके, he told Yashwant Rao More that Shivaji helped him and ascended the Gaddi as Chandra Rao. Okay, and he returned for Shivaji's help. In return, what did he say? I will help you in work of Swaraj. Yashwant Rao More said him that he will work him in the work of Swaraj. Okay, Yashwant Rao promised to help Shivaji in his struggle and also pay him an annual tribute. Okay, he will also pay annual tribute, but he forget all these ones. जैसे ही गद्दी मिली, जैसे ही राजा बना, सब भूल गया वो. He became impertinent and troublesome. He started attacking Shivaji's territory and harassing the people. Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Swaraj. So we realized जब तक मोरे को हम कंट्रोल में नहीं लाएंगे, इस स्वराज के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. तो उसे कंट्रोल में लाना बहुत ही जरूरी हो गया है. Next, rebel and you will die. Shivaji first sent a stiff note to Yashwant Rao More. You call yourself a Raja, but I am a Raja of this territory, and this kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me. So do not call yourself the Raja. Okay? Don't call yourself the Raja because you are not the Raja. In a very rude reply, Yashwant Rao said, You are a Raja of only yesterday. आप कल के राजा थे. Who gave you this kingdom? If you come to Jawali, you will be trapped. But by the grace of God, I have received from Adil Shah the title of Raja. He has also, in his graciousness, gave me a throne and Penelope of Raja. If you start any trouble here, you will be badly hurt. Oh my God. So rudely he spoke to Shivaji in letter. Shivaji immediately replied him, "Give up Jawali, and your pretension to kingship. Come before your masters will fold your hand and accept his service. You will refuse to do so at the risk of your life. If you refuse to do so, it will be very risky." The conquest of Jawali was a difficult operation because it is covered with a thick forest and protected by impregnable Rairi fort. Okay, now Muiz also had numerous followers. Shivaji, after making thorough preparation, attacked Jawali. Yashwantrao held out of about a month but suffered very heavy losses. He then escaped to Rairi along with the family. Shivaji conquered Jawali and then marched on Rairi. He laid siege to fort of Rairi. Yashwantrao fought desperately for 3 months, but he had to give up. The conquest of Jawali was a very important landmark. This doubled the boundary of Swaraj under Shivaji. Yashwantrao army to join the force of Shivaji. The strong Rairi fort became the part of Swaraj. Shivaji was highly pleased to have this fort under his control, and he changed his name to Raigad. Rairi to Raigad. Later on, he built a new fort on the Borpia hill nearby, and he named as Pratapgarh. Okay, students, so the picture here given is about the fort of Raigad. Yes, so with this I am finishing the topic. I hope so you must have enjoyed the lesson. Let's go with the home assignment now. Students, with this I am finishing. Okay, bye.